How to say don't do something or stop doing something in Chinese. I will break this down to 2 points. Stop doing the thing still happening. Don't let something happen. Related to this point are dialogues 1 and 2 from lesson 10 of HSK2. If you wish to systematically learn practical everyday Chinese, don't miss out my online course. This is a brand new online course produced in 2024, which is fully close to our real life. Okay, let's dive in. 不要 do something 了，别 do something 了。Generally, they are same meaning. They all has the meaning of don't do something. These things still happening. Let's see some examples. 不要看电视了，别看电视了。Don't watch TV anymore. Stop doing this. 不要抽烟了。Don't smoking anymore. Stop smoking. So you also can say 别抽烟了, which means at this moment you are smoking. 不要哭了 Stop crying. Don't crying. Or 别哭了. These are stop doing the thing which is still happening. But if we want to remind or warn others don't do something in the future, stop doing something. Don't let this thing happen. Delete the 了 in this structure. 不要 or 别 do something. 前面路口直走，不要左转。你周末不要看电视。All of these examples, you can notice they are really direct. So generally that will happen between family members or really close friends. You wouldn't say this to your colleagues, especially your leaders or strangers. If you really want to talk with your colleagues, leaders, strangers about don't do something, how should you say? 不好意思，你可以小声一点吗？ Compare with 别说话了, this too directly and kind of like a bossy. Another one, 不好意思，你可以别在这里抽烟吗？ Can you don't smoke at here? Last one, that will be a warning. In English, we maybe will say no smoking, no parking. In Chinese, all of these no parking, no smoking, the no we translate to 禁止, 禁止, which means this action is banned. So you only can see these on the signs. You barely can hear it in speaking. Okay, this is how we say don't do something in Chinese. Let's see this in our today's 2 dialogues. Dialogue 1. 不要看电视了, which means people are watching TV. Then stop doing it. Don't do it. 明天上午还有汉语课呢. Tomorrow morning still have Mandarin class. No, to emphasize this thing will happen tomorrow. Tomorrow you will have important things to do. 看电视对学汉语有帮助. Watching TV is helpful for learning Mandarin. This is actually a typical excuse. Do something is helpful to another thing. This is a structure. Do something, 对, do another thing, 有帮助. 对 in this structure is kind of like the function of to, for. We also learned one of these similar structure on lesson 5. Do something 对身体好. Do something 对身体不好. They are similar structure. You can check this video at here. 帮助 itself, this is a noun, help. On next video, we were going to talk about dialogue 3 and 4 of lesson 10. Then you will learn how to use help as a verb. If you think this video is helpful for you, 对你有帮助, then I would love it if you give me a thumb up. This is really helps me. Okay, let's continue. 明天的课你都准备好了吗? Something 都准备好了吗? 准备 prepare. 准备好 this is a result words again. 好 means finish or done. Do something properly. Are you all fully prepared? Are you all done your preparation? 明天的课 课 lesson. What types of lesson? Description linked by 的明天的课. So tomorrow's class. Class of tomorrow. Are you already finished the preparation of tomorrow's class? 都准备好了 all done. All fully prepared. Dialogue 2. 别看报纸了 Stop reading newspaper. 医生说你要多休息 Doctor said you need more rest. You need to rest more. 你要多休息 In this context, you can tell the word the doctor said definitely happened in the past, but we actually don't have to use past tense. We don't need to say 医生说了 The important thing is only the content. 你要多休息 So we don't have to use 了。好，不看了 Okay, I wouldn't watch it anymore. Full verb 了 means I was doing something, but now I wouldn't do it anymore. 给我一杯茶吧 Give me a cup of tea. 吧 as a suggestion. Please give me a cup of tea. 医生说 Doctor said again. 医生说吃药后2个小时不要喝茶 This is a thing. Warning you or remind you. Don't let this thing happen in the future. 医生说 2 hours after taking medicine. Don't drink tea. First of all, take medicine. Have medicine. In Chinese, we also use the verb 吃 eat. Go through your throat, eventually arrive your stomach. This action can be called 吃. And it's mentioned don't drink tea after taking medicine. Why? So this one is actually related to the Chinese culture, Chinese tea culture. For us, we rarely drink herbal teas or like fruit teas or use tea bags. We not consider this as a real tea. We drink loose leaf tea like 茶叶, pure tea leaves, because it contains tea polyphenols, which are believed to affect the efficiency of medicines. Doctors usually advise against drinking tea while taking medicine in China. Generally, the doctor will say, 吃药前后半个小时 or 1个小时 or 2个小时不要喝茶。医生还说什么了？还 with the verb means what else? Still doing something. Then the answer is a typical Chinese family will say, 医生让你听我的。医生 let you listen to me. Do everything what I said. Okay, these 2 dialogues, you can tell the first dialogue is happened between kids with parents. The second one more likely happened between spouse, like husband and wife. My HSK2 content is now updated up to lesson 9 in sequence. You can also find more idioms, sentences, and learning tips for everyday Chinese conversations on my channel. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.